Question 23. Which statements about the group 7 elements are correct? Down group 7, the reactivity of the halogens will decrease. The reactivity of halogens is governed by how likely they are to gain that one extra electron in the outermost electron shell to achieve the stable octet structure. Because all halogens in group 7 have 7 valence electrons in the outermost shell. The ease of gaining this one electrons relies on the distance between the outermost electron shell and the positive nucleus of the atom. Down group 7, the number of electron shells increase, so it gets harder and harder for the atom to gain that one additional electron in the outermost shell, which is going to be much further from the nucleus. Therefore, it is easiest for fluorine to gain this one additional electron because the force of attraction between this electron and the positive nucleus is going to be much stronger due to the smaller distance between the nucleus and the outermost electron shell. Option 1 states that bromine reacts with iodide ions to form iodine. Bromine is going to be a diatomic molecule, and iodide ion can be thought of as the ion present in an ionic compound where the other ion is not given to us to form a bromide ion and iodine. This is indeed true, and this is otherwise known as the displacement reaction because bromine is more reactive than iodine and can kick iodine out of its ionic compound, taking the place of iodine in the ionic compound. This leaves iodine to form back iodine element, which is going to be an I2 molecule. The reason why this occurs is essentially due to the stealing of electrons by bromine, because bromine is more reactive than iodine. It has a higher tendency to gain one electron, and it hence will steal the electron from the iodide ion, causing iodide ion to revert back to iodine element or iodine molecule. Because iodine element will never occur by itself as one atom, an I2 molecule will be formed. Therefore, reaction 1 will definitely occur. Statement 2 states that the elements become more reactive down the group. This is not true because the reactivity again is governed by the tendency of gaining that one extra electron. And fluorine has the highest tendency, or it is easiest for fluorine to gain that one additional electron due to the smaller distance and stronger attractive forces to the nucleus. Therefore, fluorine is the most reactive, and down the group the elements become less reactive. Statement 3 states that bromine is a liquid while iodine is a solid at room temperature. This is true. For the group 7 elements, the top 2 elements are going to be gaseous at room temperature, while the bottom 2 elements are going to be solid at room temperature. Bromine is the only element that exists as a liquid at room temperature. This is because down the group, the size of the atom increases as seen from the diagram here, and the bigger the size of the atom, the bigger the size of the molecule. With a larger molecule, there will be stronger intermolecular forces of attraction. Therefore, S13, which has the largest atom, will form the largest diatomic molecule, and between the molecules, there will be the stronger intermolecular forces of attraction. These are the attractions that will be broken due to heating. Therefore, bromine is going to have a lower melting point than iodine and exists as a liquid at room temperature, while iodine stays as a solid. Therefore, options 1 and 3 are correct, leaving C as the correct answer.